In a humble village nestled amidst rolling hills there lived two friends, Arun and Vijay. Both were known for their hard work and shared a dream, to see their village prosperous and thriving. Arun, a visionary at heart, often spoke of lush fields, bustling markets, and a school that would empower their children. Vijay, while sharing Arun's dream, was more pragmatic. He believed in action, in taking tangible steps towards their goal. One day, a renowned agricultural expert visited their village. Vijay, ever proactive, convinced Arun to attend the expert's seminar. The expert spoke of innovative farming techniques and the potential for growth. Inspired, Vijay immediately started implementing the new methods on his land. Arun, however, remained lost in his grand vision. He envisioned a transformed village but struggled to translate his dream into concrete actions. Years passed. Vijay's farm flourished, becoming a testament to his dedication and planning. He had not only improved his life, but had also created employment opportunities for others in the village. Arun, on the other hand, remained stuck in the cycle of dreaming without action. His vision, though beautiful, remained unrealized. The story of Arun and Vijay highlights a profound truth. A vision, however noble, remains a fantasy without the scaffolding of a plan. Planning is the bridge that connects our dreams to reality. It is the roadmap that guides us through the complexities of execution. Effective planning involves breaking down a seemingly insurmountable goal into smaller, manageable steps. It requires research, analysis, and a clear understanding of the resources required. A well-structured plan acts as a compass, providing direction and preventing us from veering off course. Just as an architect meticulously designs a blueprint before laying the foundation of a building, we must invest time and effort in crafting a plan before embarking on the journey of realizing our vision. Without a plan, we risk becoming overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of the task, leading to procrastination and ultimately, failure. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. To transform our dreams into tangible outcomes, we need to move beyond the realm of imagination and step into the arena of action, guided by a well-defined plan. Many individuals fall into the trap of believing that simply envisioning their desired future is enough. They create elaborate vision boards, meticulously detailing their dream life, but fail to take the necessary steps to make it a reality. While visualization is a powerful tool for motivation, it is merely the first step. A vision without action is like a car without an engine. It may look appealing but lacks the power to move forward. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new idea, but without a concrete plan to bring it to life, it remains nothing more than a fleeting thought. The key to bridging the gap between vision and reality lies in action. It requires us to step outside our comfort zones, embrace challenges, and persevere even when faced with setbacks. Action transforms our dreams from intangible desires into concrete experiences. Remember, the universe rewards action. It's not enough to simply wish for a better future. We must be willing to roll up our sleeves and do the work required to make it happen. Moving forward, dare to dream big, transcending mediocrity. If your vision doesn't scare you a little, it's not big enough. Many people limit themselves by setting goals that are too easily attainable, remaining confined within the boundaries of their comfort zones. While it's important to set realistic goals, it's equally crucial to dream big and envision a future that excites and inspires us. When we set ambitious goals that stretch beyond our current capabilities, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We are forced to think outside the box, challenge our assumptions, and develop new skills to bridge the gap between our present reality and our desired future. Mediocrity often stems from a lack of imagination and a fear of failure. By daring to dream big, we break free from the shackles of limiting beliefs and embrace the unknown with a sense of adventure and determination. Remember, the only limit to our achievements is the scope of our imagination. Next, the power within, unleashing your potential. The fact that you can conceive of a dream, no matter how audacious, is evidence that you possess the inherent potential to achieve it. Every human being is endowed with unique talents, skills, and a reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. When we set our sights on a goal that aligns with our passions and purpose, we tap into a source of inner strength and resilience that empowers us to overcome obstacles and persevere through challenges. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve greatness. Cultivate a mindset of growth and abundance. embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and development. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who believe in your vision and are committed to helping you succeed. Remember, the journey towards realizing our dreams is not always easy. There will be setbacks, doubts, and moments of uncertainty. However, by tapping into our inner strength, nurturing our talents, and embracing a positive mindset, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve extraordinary things. Ultimately, the divine spark, trusting in a greater plan. Many believe that a force greater than themselves plants the seeds of dreams within their hearts. This belief, regardless of one's spiritual or religious inclinations, can be a powerful source of strength and guidance. When we trust that our dreams are divinely inspired, we tap into an unwavering faith that we are supported and guided on our journey. This faith empowers us to persevere through challenges, knowing that we are not alone in our pursuit of our goals. Just as a gardener carefully tends to their plants, providing them with the necessary nutrients and sunlight to thrive, we too must nurture our dreams with care, dedication, and a deep trust in the unfolding of a greater plan. Remember, even when faced with setbacks or detours, trust that you are being guided towards your highest good. Embrace the journey with an open heart and unwavering faith, knowing that you are divinely supported every step of the way. Finally, your vision awaits. Take the first step. The world is filled with unrealized dreams, not for lack of vision but for lack of action. The time to act is now. Don't allow your dreams to wither away in the shadows of fear and procrastination. Start by identifying one small step you can take today to move closer to your vision. No action is too insignificant. Every step, no matter how small, builds momentum and propels you forward on the path towards realizing your dreams. Write down your goals, break them down into actionable steps, and create a plan that outlines the path ahead. Hold yourself accountable for your progress, celebrate your successes, and learn from your setbacks. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and embark on the exciting adventure of transforming your vision from a dream into a living, breathing reality. The world is waiting to witness the unique contribution that only you can make.